Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make nachos loaded with chicken and cheese sauce. This is a simple nacho recipe where you can enjoy while watching movie or as a evening snack. So let's get started. So in order to make nachos, I will require only half a breast of chicken. Clean first and cut it as shown. What we need is you need to cut the chicken in strips like as shown. This is the way it should be. Slit it in the middle so it doesn't remain thick. We need the thin strips. Now add the chicken in a bowl. Add one whole egg. Add a pinch of pepper powder, onion powder, half a teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, salt is to taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it and keep it on the side. In a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melted, add 1 tablespoon of maida, all-purpose flour. This is in order to make the cheese sauce. Now add a half cup of milk and let it simmer till the flour is cooked. Check the consistency. It is becoming thick now with the help of flour. Now add pinch of pepper powder and a pinch of salt. Mix it. Now once it is mixed properly, check there should not be any lumps. Now add cheese, 4 slices. You can add even shredded cheese if you have. I've used yellow cheese. Keep it on a very low flame so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Check the consistency and leave it on the side. So now this is for dusting of chicken. Add half a cup of maida and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. You can also use corn flour if you have. Salt and pepper is to taste. Mix all the ingredients together and dust the chicken. Once you are done with all this, you have to coat it one more time. Leave it on the side and coat it one more time before we fry. So meanwhile, what you have to do, you have to keep the oil to fry the chicken. So guys, check this out. This is how the coating should be. Double coating. Once the oil is hot, start to fry them in small batches till they are golden brown in color. For any excess of oil, leave it on the tissue paper and keep it on the side. Now add the remaining chicken and fry till they are golden brown in color. Once the chicken is ready, cut in small cubes. Look how crunchy they are. Once chicken is ready, cut it and leave it on the side. In the same oil, add french fries. Fry them till they are golden brown in color. Now this is the yummiest part. Now since all the ingredients are ready, let's get them together. So in a bowl or in a plate, add nachos. Add few chicken. Add diced tomatoes. French fries. Drizzle with tomato ketchup and mayonnaise. Add the remaining chicken and tomatoes. Add cheese sauce. Guys, check this out, how lovely it looks. Add few sprigs of cilantro, chopped, coriander fresh, and now they are ready to eat. Look how yummy it is. My kids really enjoy this and always ask for more. Try this recipe and you will also enjoy.
Thank you, Dada, for this delicious recipe. It's really yummy and one of my favorite too. Friends, thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe.